What's up viewers, this is a bike check with Declan Cameron and Jaden Silva. This is a Specialized Big Hit 2005 model. This model came with Mozos with 100mm shocks with an alloy frame. This is a small frame because of my size. This is what they called is a flared rear fucking what do you call it, a swing arm, a flared swing arm, so they flared it up because they wanted that, because it's a big hit, so they wanted that big clearance, you know what I mean? So when this is at full compression, it's still like that far off the ground, so, which is pretty cool. Anyway, so it's 26-inch wheels with maxis on it, some nice fat tread. Me and Jaden just went recently riding at Torella. It's a pretty hectic downhill track. You'll see that video, just click in the top right and that video should come up. Anyway, we got rear brakes. This bike is still a work in progress, so I put on a salt clamp, flip that bad boy upside down to get that leverage so you don't get thrown backwards or forwards too much. It's just a perfect leverage in the front. And then I've lowered the whole frame by 1/2 inch by putting the shocks down like that. As you can see, you got the shim here, so you can go all the way down to this point here. So yeah, I kept it there because I like the 1/2 inch clearance. I got the seat at 8 mils. Oh, 8 mils, freaking 8 inches. See that 8 there? So that's 8 inches from there to there. And then the derailleur, I had to put a new one on it. These usually come with the dome. Well, I think they're called dome. Derailleurs, but that one broke, it exploded. I didn't do that, that was my brother. Anyway, I got a single disc in the front and 8-speed in the back. So I got Avanti cranks. And this shock is actually, I put this in when it first got bought. Me and Connor went to a downhill shop and bought this because the other one was like, oh, it's only that big, because this is a, you know, it's probably actually the same size, but it wasn't a high pressure spring like this is, and this is just oil, it's not gas. The other one was gas, and the gas wasn't working. Had the thing up here, and the valve on the end was just popped off. So every time the shock would go down, it would kind of get stuck halfway. It was very annoying, so we got rid of that. Anyway, we're going to be going over to Jaden DeSalvo's bike. This is a 20-inch. Anyway, I'll let Jaden explain it. Go ahead, bro.
Oh yeah, this is my 20-inch We the People Curse. It's a 2017 model. It's got SR Suntour fucking 80mm travel shocks, cross country. GT bars and a clamp off Declan's Upland.
Vanti? Upland, it's a Specialised, you meant.
Oh, I came off there.
The other Upland clamp what we did come up with, actually I'll pop over and show you what happened to that. Oh, this is the Redline 320. This bike is another work in progress. It's going to be a 20-inch dirt jumper. But this is the Upland clamp, right? This is what we had on Jaden's bike. And look how murdered it is. This just goes to show that you never should do dodgy bike work. Look at that. Look at that thread. Okay, we kind of did wreck it. Now, we're never going to do that again.
But I solved the problem.
Don't worry, we're not bodgy mechanics on push bikes.
Solved the problem,
this push bike right here, this downhill bike, doesn't have no shredded bolts. I guarantee you, you'll look on this bike, no shredded bolts, no way. You look on this bike, no shredded bolts, no more. It had, all these were shredded, all these were shredded, this was shredded. What else was shredded? That was it, wasn't it? Just the headset was shredded. But yeah. But now this bike is a lot better, because the bars were way too low before, but now they're popping up with the GT bars, the silver GT bars.
The other...
He did have a pair of Fat Boys on him, a pair of Fat Boy bars, but he can't fit them no more, so he can't use the Fat Boy bars.
The low setup was, I was riding that at the Torella video. Really low, probably as you could see on that video. but I managed to put the oh yeah, this bike has a Ridge salt gear on it. Forgot to mention that. It's all street gear. Could use a bit of an upgrade, but yeah, I put this salt spacer back in, and these higher bars, I got a higher rise in them, just to get more height out of it, so you're not bending down so fucking low when you're riding it.
Anyway guys, that was the bike check video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.